Hello,
Okay, how are you today?
I'm great.
You're great. So I saw your assignment here. Okay, you have given me assignment. Okay, so you have answered assignment here. So I will check the assignment later, Ben. I will check that one and I will send you the correct answer. Okay. I will be checking the assignment later. That's in Flyers 2. That's the assignment in Flyers 2. I will be checking that later and we will discuss that next time. Okay. In the next lesson, we'll discuss the Flyers assignment. So for today, I will not give you assignment yet. No assignment for today. Okay. Okay.
Okay,
No assignment for today, but I have to, or if I can see assignment which is fitted for you, I will have to give it to you and then we can discuss that in here. Okay.
Scenery.
Okay. So wait here. So I will share the screen now, Ben.
Scenery.
For a while, Ben. Okay, I'm here. So we will be discussing on Unit 4. That's my friends. Okay, I wish I here. So tell me if we're done with this, please. No, we're not. Okay. So we are still in Flyers 4. We are now in Flyers 4. Okay. So we have here. Look at this one. Okay. What have you seen in the picture, Ben? What have you seen in the picture? Can you tell me?
there are 5 kids and one boy with a dog.
Okay. There are 5 kids here with one boy with a dog. What comes into your mind? What comes into your mind when you see the picture? What do you think is the picture all about? And what do you think is our topic all about?
My friends and my dog.
My friends and my dog. Okay, it could be my friends and my dog. Okay, so this is my friends and my pet.
Pet.
Oh, pet. It could be a dog, a cat, a hamster, a rabbit, or a tiger. You have a pet? A lion. Your pet is a lion, a snake, like that. So we are going to talk now about my friends and my pets. Okay. What have you seen? Okay. Let us talk about your friends and family. Okay. You have to tell me, Ben, and you have to talk to me about your friends and your family. Okay. Now, who lives in your house, Ben?
My father, my mother, my my brother, my sister, and me.
Okay. So is that older sister or older brother?
Older person is
No. Not yet, Ben. Is that older brother or older sister? Older brother and elder sister? You have elder brother,
no, no.
younger brother,
Yeah, younger brother and
younger
older
sister.
sister.
The elder
Old
sister, older sister and a younger brother. Okay. So in the family, who's the oldest person in your house?
my grandpa.
Oh, you have the grandpa. How old is your grandpa?
I think it is. I don't know.
Oh, do you think he is around 70 years old?
I don't think so.
Younger? Younger?
No,
Oh,
no.
older?
Yes, yes.
Oh, wow. And then
My grandma too.
your grandma and your grandpa is in your house?
No, in another house.
Ah, it's in another house. So inside your house, only your house, who is the oldest person?
My father,
Your father. How old is your father?
40 years old.
How about your mom? How old is your mom?
30. No, no. My father is 40, 44.
Okay, and your mother?
30, 39.
Okay, very good. Now, who is the youngest person in the family? Youngest.
My younger brother,
How old is your younger brother?
7. My
Ah,
sister's 7 too.
17. Your sister is
7.
17.
No, 7.
And your brother is?
7 too.
Oh, they have the same age.
Yes.
Oh, really? Are they twins?
Mm, They learn in the same class.
Really? Wow. Okay, so they learn in the same class. Now, let's get back here. So let's move. Okay. Has anyone in your family got your name too? Like
No.
your father is Ben also?
No.
No. Okay.
Nobody can have my name.
Why? Why do you think so? Because you are unique. You know the word unique, Ben? Do you know the word unique here? This one, this word. You know this word?
Nope.
Okay. Unique means, do you know this one? Rare. It's not so many, not always, not usual. Okay. When we say the word unique, it's not, it means rare, not usual, not common. So unique. Your name Ben in Vietnam is unique. No other bands. There are there are no or not many bands in Vietnam. Only few. Do you understand unique? You understand now what is unique? Ben? Do you understand the word
Yes.
unique? Okay, very good. Now, look up here in the picture. What do you think is in this picture?
I think it is a class.
It's a classroom. It's inside the classroom and it's in the class. There are classmates. So, do you always also, let us put this way. So, who do you sit next to the school? Who do you sit next to the school? Do you always, again, first, who do you sit next at the school? At the school, who do you sit next? Who?
I
Who?
don't know. How about the boy with a black t-shirt?
Black t-shirt? No, I'm not referring here. This is about you. You, Ben, I am asking you. In your school, who do you sit next at school? This is you. Who do you sit next to you? Who?
My friend.
Okay, is he a boy or a girl?
Girl.
It's a girl. Okay. So, do you always sit in the same seat or do you meet Do you keep on
Yes,
moving?
yes, yes, yes,
Oh,
yes.
very good. Because other kids, they keep on moving from one chair to another chair. Okay. They keep on moving from one place to another place. How about you, Ben? Do you always sit in the same seat?
Yes.
Yeah, very good. That's good idea. Okay, here. Next. Okay, I will have questions. I need to erase Ben for a while. Okay, here. So, which friends do you see at the weekend? By the way, look at this one. What have you come or what is in your mind when you think of the picture? What is in your mind when you think
Nobody.
of the picture? No. Here, look at this one.
No.
Can you see this one? Can you see what is in the picture, Ben? They are they are
Their kiss.
they are with their friends, and it seems that they are very
Happy.
happy. Of course, that's what I want to hear, Ben. So we have here. Tell me that one. So as you can see the pictures, there are kids who seems to be very happy, and they are being with each other. Now I will ask you a question again. That's number 4. Which friends do you see at the weekend? Do you have
No
friends?
friend. I can see.
Do
But I
you have,
can see
yeah?
my friend at school.
Oh, you don't have a friend which is happened to be your neighbor?
Yes.
You don't have a neighbor friend?
Their their home is so far.
Oh, so they're always so far. So that's the reason you don't have friend which is just near in your house. Now, what do you do with your friends at the weekend?
Talk on the
You will,
phone.
you will phone.
Talk.
Oh, you will talk in the phone. Oh my God. Okay. So do you own cell phone? You have cell phone. You have a
Yes.
phone. Oh, next one here. Next, number 5. Tell me, who is your best friend? By the way, who is your best friend, Ben?
Many.
Okay, best friend should only one. The one who can talk with, the one who always with you. Okay, who is that?
I
Do
don't
you
know.
do you know who is your best friend?
I don't know.
You don't know yet, teacher. Teacher, I don't know about my best friend. But you have a close friend in school. The one who you go with
Yes.
in the library, in the canteen. Do you have like that?
Yes,
Okay.
I have 5 friends.
Wow. Do you have 5 friends in one group? Okay. So they are the one you considered as your close friend. You know what is close friend?
Yes.
Yeah, they are your close friends. Okay, now, why do you like them? Because there are many. There are 5. Why do you like them? I am using do, Ben. Ben, I am using do because many. Why do you like them? The 5 of them. Why?
Because they're like playing to me, talking with me, and walking with me.
Oh, so they are the one who play with you, talk with you. Okay, so that's great. How old are they?
There are 10.
Okay, are all of them boys?
One, they're boys.
They're all boys, no girl.
Yes.
Okay. Now, Ben, tell me about your hobbies. Tell me about your hobbies. If many hobbies. If only one hobby. Okay. Do you have hobby or hobbies? Tell me.
My hobby is cars,
Cars.
piano.
What is the cars? Your hobby is cars only? How about collecting of stars? I collecting of cars. Is that hobby? What
Yes,
else?
yes.
Collecting of cars.
Playing chess, playing the piano, uh, walking, running, uh, watering the tree.
Oh, you're watering the tree? What tree is that? Whose tree is that? Your tree inside your house?
No, many trees.
Many trees. Okay. So you're
My
watering them.
my tree makes my house like the jungle.
Oh, you have a lot of tree in your house?
Yes,
Oh, really? Really? You really like a
yes,
tree. How many trees do you have in your house?
many.
Many. Wow. So your house, it's not too hot because you have a lots of trees. Wow. So your hobbies are collecting cars. What
Cars,
else?
playing chess,
Playing
playing the
chess,
piano,
playing the piano,
walking, running,
walking, running,
and watering the
and
the
watering the trees. Watering the trees. Okay.
yes,
So, oh my God. So you know how to play the piano? Do you know
yes,
how to sing? You
yes.
know how to sing?
No,
Oh yeah. Okay. When did you
no.
learn to play piano? When? How old are you?
I think I have 5 years old.
Oh really? You're so five and you know already how to play the piano?
Yes.
Wow, very amazing, Ben. Okay, here now. Okay, so in this picture, Ben, is the picture of Holly's birthday party. This picture is picture of Holly's birthday party. You are going to hear Holly's talking about 8 people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Where are the others? Okay. There are 8 people who are in the party. Okay. So let us see this one, Ben. We have to look at and to no look at listen what they're talking. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
But
What?
with me,
Okay.
with me. Okay.
Okay. Now, so we are going to listen. What does Holly say about her friends? So you have to listen, write the names, then draw a lines. So just listen and tell me what does Holly say about her friends, okay?
Okay.
Okay, look at this one. So try to answer this one after you listened.
4B. my friends and my pets. Who came to Holly's birthday party? Listen and write names.
My party was excellent. My best friend Jane came, of course, and Daisy too. Daisy and I like the same kind of music. We also love dancing. And I invited the 2 boys who live in the house that's next to ours. Harry's the older one. He always makes me laugh on the school bus. His younger brother is Pat. I didn't know him, but I do now. He didn't stop singing all afternoon and was very loud. I often go sailing with Nick, so I invited him. We both go to the sailing club on Wednesday evenings. Oh, and Lucy came too. She's in my class. We often do our homework together. Who else? Let me think. Oh, yes. Bill and Helen were there. Helen and I are learning to play the guitar together. She's great. Bill is boring, but I had to invite him because he's my cousin.
Okay, did you hear it, Ben? Or you want to hear it again? One more? One more, Ben?
For B, my friends and my pets. Who came to Holly's birthday party? Listen and write names.
My party was excellent. My best friend Jane came, of course, and Daisy too. Daisy and I like the same kind of music. We also love dancing. And I invited the 2 boys who live in the house that's next to ours. Harry's the older one. He always makes me laugh on the school bus. His younger brother is Pat. I didn't know him, but I do now. He didn't stop singing all afternoon and was very loud. I often go sailing with Nick, so I invited him. We both go to the sailing club on Wednesday evenings. Oh, and Lucy came too. She's in my class. We often do our homework together. Who else? Let me think. Oh, yes. Bill and Helen were there. Helen and I are learning to play the guitar together. She's great. Bill is boring, but I had to invite him because he's my cousin.
Okay.
Hello?
Okay.
Okay.
So number 1. Who is Jane, or who are the people invited in the party? Who are the people invited in the party?
Daisy, Pat, Nick, Lucy, Bill, Helen.
Okay. So can you tell me who is Jane? Can you tell me who is Jane?
Jane is Holly's best friend.
Holly's best friend. So, sorry. Oh, wait. Wait for a while. Wait for a while. Wait then. Wait for a while then. So first is, it's the Daisy. Why it's like this? For a while then. I will stop for a while. I need to change. Okay. Okay. So how about Daisy? Who is Daisy?
Daisy is
Daisy is? Who is Daisy?
is
Daisy is? Hey, can you tell me about Daisy? Daisy is? Daisy loves. Ben, did you listen?
loves like the same music.
Okay. So Daisy, they do have likes, or they have likes the same music, or they like the same music. And they also love dancing. Daisy loves dancing. For a while, Ben, I need to fix this. What happened? It will turn back. Okay, so we have here, sorry. Okay, so we have here, next Daisy, next is Harry. Who is Harry, Ben? Okay, Ben, who is Harry in the picture? Sorry, Ben. The picture, the slide is not clear. Okay, so here. Okay, so who is Harry in the picture? Now, you told me about Harry. Who is Harry in the picture? Harry is? Okay, we will put first the name of the persons or the people in the birthday of Holly. Jane, Daisy, Harry, who else? Who else? Who else? Harry. Next to Harry, Pat. Next.
Nick,
Nick. Who else?
Lucy,
Lizzie. Who else? Lucy. Next.
Bill,
Bill. And who else? The last one is?
Helen.
Helen. Okay. So you said that Jane is Holly's best friend. That is why Holly invited Jane. How about Daisy? Daisy has?
Like the same music.
Okay. Daisy and Jane and Holly, they like the same music, and they love dancing. How about Harry? Okay, that's Holly. Daisy, that's Daisy. Okay. How about Harry? Who do you think, Harry? Why Holly
Also has
invited?
guitar lesson.
Yeah. Also Harry. Okay, Harry is? Again, Harry, one more.
Also has guitar lesson.
It also has guitar lesson. Let's see. No, because Harry is a very funny guy. How about Pat?
It's a loud singer.
Okay, Pat is the younger brother of Harry, and he loves to sing. A very loud singer. Okay, next, who is Nick?
Goes sailing too.
Okay, Nick is, can you do it completely? Nick, Holly
Is
invited Nick
go
because,
go he he and Holly is goes sailing.
okay, the goes sailing too. Yeah, the goes sailing. So that is why Barry, that's why Holly invited Nick because they go sailing together. That is why, that's the reason. Next, okay, let's see. Very good. How about Lucy? Why do you think Holly invited Lucy? Why?
Because she is in the same class.
Okay, because Lucy and Holly are in the same class. Let's see. Okay, let's see. Very good. They are in the same class. They are classmates. How about Bill? Why Bill was invited by Holly? Why?
Because he is Holly's cousin.
Yeah. Actually, Holly said, I don't like Bill because Bill is boring. But I have to invite her, sorry, him, because he's my cousin. Okay, very good. Let's see the answer. 10. Very good. Number 8. Who is Helen? Who is Helen? Helen, oh sorry. Helen is,
Like me.
oh sorry. Helen is who?
I don't know.
Okay, so Helen in the last, okay, in the last, Helen is having a guitar lesson with Holly. So they are classmates in guitar class. That's the reason why she invites Helen. Okay, did you get all the idea? Did you get now all the idea, Ben?
Yes.
Okay, the secret of this to answer this kind of questions is you have to listen carefully. Listen carefully, okay? Next, okay, how many people can have you seen in the picture? How many people
7.
can you see
7.
in the pictures? There are 7. How many people did Holly talk about? How many people did
8.
okay, there are 8, but in the pictures there are only 7. Now, let's say whose names are the people in the pictures. Can you read it, Ben? We have,
Daisy, Pat, Nick, Lucy, Bill, Helen, and Jane.
okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Who do you think is not mentioned in the story? Who do you think is not mentioned in the story? Who?
I don't know. I don't know.
Look at. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Actually, there are 8 in the in the in the story. So, but there are only 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. For example, Pat is a loud singer. Okay. Where do you think is Pat here? Do you think Pat is here? Of course, there is. Okay, next one here. What is Pat wearing? Can you tell me what
He's,
is Pat in the picture?
he's wearing an orange and white t-shirt.
Okay, he's wearing an orange and white striped orange and white t-shirt. This is Pat. This one is Pat. Okay, he's wearing again. Ben, can you read it? Where is Pat? Or what is Pat doing? Or what is Pat
Is
wearing? He's wearing
a yellow striped t-shirt and blue trouser.
He is wearing a yellow striped t-shirt and a blue trousers. This is Pat. Okay, next. Now write the names of the people you know. Okay, who likes music? Who?
In the picture,
Oh, yeah, in the picture.
Pat.
It's Pat. Okay, Pat and also Daisy likes music. Who is the funniest person in the class? It's who is the funniest person in the class? Who? Who do you think is the funniest person in the class?
Lucy.
Lucy? Okay, let's think. Do you think it's Harry? Harry is the funny. That's the reason why Holly invited Harry because Harry is very funny. Okay. Okay. Now example, I will have to ask you not in the picture. It's in real life in you. Now, who do you think, okay, do you name or can you remember a person who likes music a lot? Not in the picture, Ben, it's you.
My father.
Wow, really? Your father likes music a lot? Really?
Yes.
Wow. And how about in the class? Who do you think is the funniest person in your class? Who do you think?
My friend.
Your friend. Why? Why do this person make you laugh? You said that he is the funniest. So maybe funniest, very funny. The most funny or funniest. Okay. Why do this person make you laugh? Why?
Because they're funniest person.
Yeah, I know that's funniest person. Why did this person make you laugh? Why? What did he do?
They make me laugh
By?
by the story.
What part or what kind of story is that?
Funny story.
Wow, that's funny story, teacher. Okay. So such a funny story will make you laugh. Ah, teacher, I am happy like that. So did he make a thing? Did he tell you a things that will make you laugh? Did he make a joke?
Yes.
Oh, really? What kind of joke?
I don't know.
Oh, you don't know the joke, but you really make him laugh. That's the very important thing. Because a person, Ben, needs to, what's this, teacher? Look at teacher. Look at me. Look, you need to smile. You need to smile. You know why? If you keep on smiling, you will practice your front. Okay, that will makes you younger all the time. If you keep on doing like that, you're very sad. You will become older. You can be older at your early age. You can be older at, you will be 15 and you looks like 20 because you don't smile. Do you smile? Do you smile, Ben?
Yes.
Okay, let me see your smile. Oh, not like that. I want the real smile. The smile of Ben. Smile. Oh, like that? Oh, that's what I like with my boy. Very nice smile. So every now and then, if we have lesson with teacher, you have to smile. Okay, this is the package. Look at teacher and look at me. Look at me. Here. You have to smile. You have to look. You have to listen. You have to comprehend. You have to understand. Do you understand me? Okay.
Yes.
That's great. So here, the funniest person in my life. Okay, one last question. Who is the really great singer in your class?
At home or the class?
How about in your class first?
Uh,
Do you have someone you knew?
my teacher.
Wow, your teacher! Your teacher really loves to sing. How about inside your house? Who is the most?
My mother.
Wow, really? Your mother has a really nice voice?
Yes.
Oh, how about you? You told me you don't know how to sing. So you're not with your mother's side. Your mother really knows. Is she a music teacher? Music teacher?
Nope.
Nope. Okay, but she know how to sing. Wow. So does your mother keep on singing all the time? Does she keeps
Not.
on singing
No.
all the time?
No.
No, really. She doesn't sing? Never.
Sometimes.
Sometimes only, just in case if you have, if your mother is boring, if you, I mean, your mother feel bored and lonely, your mother will sing? Really? Or if your mother is happy?
Okay.
You ask teacher. You ask me if I know how to sing. You ask teacher Anne.
Do you know to sing?
I will laugh. I don't know how to sing, but I keep on singing. I don't know how to sing, but I keep on singing a song like ta da 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 ta da da. I can dance and I can sing. Okay, I have also my favorite song, Ben. I'm not. I like music, but it seems the music doesn't like me. Did you understand that? Did you understand
Yes.
what I said? Teacher Anne likes
Yes.
music, but music does not like teacher Anne. Okay.
Why?
Why? Because I want to sing, but I'm not a great singer like your mom. Do you understand now?
Yes.
I love music, but music doesn't like me. Why, teacher? Because I want to sing, but I'm not a great singer like your mom. Do you understand, teacher, now?
Yes.
Oh my God, that's great. So that's what makes me happy always. I love to sing. I really love to sing, Ben. What? Music. Okay, one last more. Who is very good at sport in your family? Who is
Me.
very good at sport?
Me.
Oh, really? What do you play?
Football.
Football? Oh, you really? What else aside from football?
Football. Basketball.
Oh, you're such a talented boy. You know how to play the piano. You know how to play
Yes.
basketball, and you know play how to play football. Oh, talented. Very good. Okay, so you're the very good at sport in the family, right? Right? Oh yeah,
Yes.
teacher, you are correct, teacher. Exactly, teacher, and I am one of the best in the family. Okay. That's good to hear, Ben, that you're one of the best in the family. I am so happy to hear that you are very good in everything. And you are also smart, right? You are smart. Wow! That's
Yes.
right. Yay!
I am smart at English.
I'm smart at English. So if you are smart at English, you have to prove it to teacher. I am your English teacher. So you have to prove it to me that you are very smart. Okay?
Okay.
Oh yeah. I will give you the challenge. I will give you the challenge. So you will have to prove it to me that you are very smart. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, that's great, Ben. So I'll be finding here. Okay, later. Okay, so here, Ben, I'll be giving you a homework today. Today, I will be giving you homework that you will do. Okay, so let us test how good you are because you told me you are very smart in English. Okay, okay,
Okay.
okay, okay. For now, Teacher Anne will say goodbye. Okay, it's very nice meeting you and seeing you today, Ben. Okay, thank you
Okay.
so much for being with teacher. I want to see your smile. Smile, please. Oh, not like that. I don't like that smile. I want the real smile. Your smile. The genuine smile. Oh, look at. Mm, look, that's one. That's the smile that I want to look at, Ben. Yay! So for now, thank you very much, Ben, and you take care. And you will have enjoyed the rest of the day. Bye bye, teacher. Love, love. Bye
Bye,
bye.
teacher.
Bye. See
Goodbye.
you. Okay.
Goodbye.
Bye bye. I will give you assignment. I put it in Zello. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Bye bye.